In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then tap at that plus sign and let's choose a picture for our post. I like that one. After that, hit add next, then you can add some filter. Hit add next, and on that step we can add some music to that post. All we have to do is just go to that section, and then we can quickly attach any music from here, from suggested, or we can tap at that arrow icon and then we can select a song from here. We can try to use some song from suggested. Also we can tap at browse to get into some different categories like birthday, R&B and soul, pop and all others. And also we can search for some specific music. In that way you can search by artist name or by song name, and then all we have to do is just tap at that song and then select the specific part which we would like to add to our post. Also we can change the duration of this song. To do that, just tap at that circle and then we'll be able to choose a duration from 5 seconds up to 90 seconds. Then tap at done and done again to save changes. After that you can continue editing this post and then just share it. That's how you can easily add music in Instagram post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.